Alrighty folks, here we go. We got the 2011 Chevy Silverado. This one came in for security system. So we went and go ahead and did the 5706. This one is the Viper remote start 5706B, I believe. Gotta get the box. Forgot which one it is, but pretty positive it's that. So here it is. It's got the clicker. It actually comes with 2 remotes, brand new, and they both function. This one I believe it's battery, and this one is the chargeable battery. Oops, sorry, where am I at? There you go. So it's rechargeable, which is pretty cool. They do have another alarm with the color screen, but this one's pretty cool as well. The only difference is just a colored screen. So check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. This one's gonna have the flashing LED lights. It's gonna have the siren. It's gonna have the power door locks. It's gonna have the hood pin switch. It's gonna have the built-in shock sensor, and so on and so on. And it's got the remote start. So it wasn't too crazy complicated on this Chevy. Of course, I did get a wiring diagram from Direct Tech, which was very helpful. This is probably my 3rd or 4th remote start already, just different models. We just did a Monte Carlo, which was time consuming. We had to add power door locks and so on and so on. But check this one out. This is a 2011 Chevy Silverado. So what you're gonna do is push this little button here. It's gonna start it up for you. Shows you that your truck is on. This little guy here. All right, so this has got that built-in kill switch. If you guys have your truck on, you just want to warm it up, keep that engine nice and warm when you're on the go. It's got the audio on. I'll go ahead and unlock it. Let's say if somebody is let's say if somebody was trying to get in it while you're warming up your truck. There's no key in the ignition, okay? I got the keys right here. The truck is fully on. If somebody was to get in here and try to just thinking they could take off on it, they're gonna hit the brake. Boom. It's gonna kill that engine. It's letting me know right here that the engine shut off. It's gonna do a little quick reset. I'm gonna show you guys another cool feature. Let's say if it is armed. Okay, you leave your windows cracked open. Somebody gets in here like this. Alarm's gonna go haywire. It's gonna tell you your door alarm went on. You can hear a little siren in this thing somewhere. Okay, so the way the kill switch work is, this will work if your window got broken or somehow your truck got broken into. The kill switch is going to shut it all off. It's not going to let you start it at all. Okay. You disarm it. Boom. Nice. So we put our little antenna here with the LED light. We also did all our wiring pretty clean. Chevys. What I found out, most of the wiring is going to be in here and up here, and it's pretty simple, so it's not too crazy. Let me know if you guys are interested in getting some alarm systems.